So you're new to Ciara? Welcome. I'm Veronica and I'm here to help you get the most out of Ciara. Ciara's powerful skills are your secret weapon to accelerating sales success. And best of all, they're super easy to use. Let me show you around.
To get started, you need to create a new deal in Ciara. This could be the name of a potential customer or a specific opportunity. For every deal you create, you will also have a deal map. This contains all the essential stages of your sales process, such as qualification, demo, and deal development. Then, when you have a meeting in this deal, Ciara will guide your conversation and track important insights in real time. Ciara detects essential keywords, gives you a live overview of what has already been discussed, and equips you with relevant talking points and battle cards. This way, Ciara keeps track of your progress so that you always stay on track. Of course, all this content such as deal templates, battle cards, and relevant keywords is customizable. To take notes, just start typing at any point. A tip from the pros: no worries if you're too lazy to type. Ciara automatically transcribes the call for you. This way, you never miss an essential detail. The deal overview is always up to date and auto-filled with the insights from your latest meeting. Ciara automatically generates a meeting insights page for you. This includes a transcript and recording, an automated summary, and relevant call metrics. Ciara is not just a great way to stay on top of your deals, but a great coaching resource too.
There you have it. Now that you've done your first step with Ciara, why not get started right away? If you need some more tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe to our social media channels.